Welcome back to WellnessWaveOfficial, your destination for health, mindfulness, and personal growth. Today, we explore home workout without equipment. Stay fit indoors, where science and well-being merge. Join us as we uncover the transformative practices that can enhance your workout without equipment today. Staying fit at home without any equipment is not only possible but highly effective when done consistently. A well-structured home workout routine focuses on bodyweight exercises that engage multiple muscle groups while improving strength, endurance, and flexibility. Start with dynamic warm-ups such as arm circles, leg swings, and high knees to prepare your body and reduce the risk of injury. Begin your workout with push-ups, an excellent full-body movement that strengthens your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Modify them to suit your fitness level. Perform knee push-ups if you're a beginner or challenge yourself with diamond push-ups for more intensity. Next, move on to squats, a fundamental lower body exercise that targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Squats improve balance, strengthen your legs, and can be intensified by adding a jump at the top, turning them into jump squats to increase your heart rate and build explosive power. Lunges are another essential lower body workout that enhances coordination and stability. Alternate between forward and reverse lunges to engage different muscle groups and improve functional strength. To strengthen your core, incorporate planks, which effectively build endurance and stability. Hold a plank for 30 to 60 seconds, keeping your body in a straight line, engaging your abs, and avoiding arching your lower back. If you want to make it more challenging, try side planks or plank variations like shoulder taps or leg lifts. Burpees are one of the most efficient exercises for a full body burn, combining strength and cardio into one movement. Performing burpees regularly increases endurance, builds explosive strength, and helps burn calories quickly. If burpees feel too intense, modify them by removing the push-up or jump. Mountain climbers are another great addition to your home workout, activating your core, shoulders, and legs while boosting cardiovascular fitness. Perform them at a steady pace or as fast as possible for an extra calorie burn. Don't forget the importance of mobility and flexibility exercises, such as yoga poses and stretching, to improve muscle recovery and prevent stiffness. Incorporating exercises like the cobra stretch, downward dog, and seated forward bends can enhance flexibility and relieve tension in tight muscles. Lastly, focus on consistency. Working out at home requires discipline, but setting a schedule and tracking your progress will keep you motivated. Even without equipment, you can achieve remarkable fitness results by using your own body weight strategically. Stick to a structured routine, maintain proper form, and challenge yourself with progressive overload by increasing reps, duration, or intensity over time.